What video resources and training paths should new technicians use to deepen their skills after a service call? Start with curated video playlists for foundational skills and progress to manufacturer-specific modules for equipment you service. Watch playlists such as HVAC tips for technicians and pause frequently to take notes on step-by-step procedures, then rewatch segments while performing the same actions on a bench or a controlled setup to build muscle memory. Enroll in online manufacturer training to learn exact diagnostic flows and sensor calibration requirements, and print or save the installation and service guides to follow the procedures exactly as written. Use industry forums to ask targeted questions after you try a repair, and post clear symptom descriptions and measurement data so peers can offer precise advice. Practice interpreting charts and waveform captures by recording real system traces and comparing them to published examples, and keep a short checklist of the most common measurement points for each equipment type. Finally, create a personal reference file of the best short videos and the corresponding timestamps for the exact technique so you can quickly review before a job. 3 common mistakes are relying solely on generic videos without confirming manufacturer-specific requirements, skipping hands-on practice, and posting incomplete information on forums. To avoid the first problem, always cross-reference any technique with the installation and service guide for the exact model you are servicing, and follow required torque, clearance, and calibration steps. For the second, set up a small lab or bench with used components or simulators, and force yourself to repeat the procedure at least 3 times before applying it live. When you use forums, include model numbers, measured values, ambient conditions, and step-by-step actions you already performed so responders can diagnose quickly. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with contractors and hosts a discussion community where technicians and DIYers exchange practical tips and resources related to continuing education. We help contractors find local work and give homeowners a place to compare experiences and ask direct questions about training and service quality.